Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Let's solve this fourth problem applying the concept of integrating factor, which simply means I'm under the method of solution of um first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation. First things first, we know that y prime means dy dx. So it means that I'll be having x squared plus 9, of course, into what there? Dy dx plus xy is equal to 0. We said our first task is to ensure that dy dx is unity, right? Ensure that dy dx is unity. How do that? Divide both sides or through by the term attached to dy dx, which is, of course, x squared plus 9. So divide through, of course, by x squared plus 9. That gives you x squared plus 9, of course, dy dx all over x squared plus 9. This one here is set plus x over sy over same thing, x squared plus 9. Similarly, perhaps I can put the y outside this way. Y, because y should start alone. It's the same thing. Equals 0 over x squared plus 9. So divide through all of them by x squared plus 9. So this one will cancel this. I have what the x left. I have the y dx left. Plus x over x squared plus 9. I have y here. Equals 0 over anything gives you 0. Please. So next task here, I cannot pick out u of x. From here, u of x gives you x over x squared plus 9. This is u of x. Because y is this. Everything attached to y is u of x. So u of x is this value here. So bringing in the concept of if, integrating factor is equal to what there? Exponential integral of what? X over x squared plus 9 dx. Alright. Let's integrate x over x squared plus 9 dx. Hold on. This place gives you x squared plus 9, right? So from here, if I integrate x over x squared plus 9 with respect to the x, what do I get? So let's pick out this alone outside. So I'm saying that if now will be equal to what there? Exponential. Let's integrate it separately. And so we'll have, if I integrate x over x squared plus 9. That is first. I'll let you, so with respect to the x, of course I'll apply substitution method here, substitution method, because if I differentiate this one, it can cancel numerator. So apply substitution method. What do we know? So let you, to equal to what there? X squared plus 9 to equal to this. So du dx gives you 2x. From there, the x is du over 2x. Substituting, that gives you the integral of x over, just everything here is u. U dot the x is du over the x, du over 2x, du over 2x. Of course, this x will cancel this x. I have what? Integral of 1 over u left dot du over 2. So this 2 comes out, gives you 1 over 2. This 2, 1 over 2. Integral of what? 1 over u du. If I integrate 1 over u, I'll have ln u. So I'll be having 1 over 2 ln what? U, right? But what is u? U is x squared plus 9. X squared plus 9. So if I integrate x over x squared plus 9 with respect to the x, I'll have my answer as 1 over 2 ln into x squared plus 9. So from here, my exponential becomes Perhaps, okay, that gives you 1 over 2 ln x squared plus 9. That's the value here. So we said if I have logarithm, this half can come to the power here. So if can still be expressed as exponential ln into x squared plus 9. This half that is here can come as 1 over 2 here. And mind, don't forget before now that we said if I have exponentially something, that something becomes the answer. So I'm saying fully well that if now is equal to what there? S squared plus 9 all to the power of what? 1 over 2. I've explained why it is so. Now, next task now, after getting if, I multiply through the equation by if. So, multiply through by if integrating factor. That gives what the question there is this, right? That gives you if first. If is x squared plus 9 all to power 1 over 2. Multiply this by this in a bracket. This one gives you x squared plus 9 dy dx plus xy. I have this equals 0 times integrating factor. That gives you x squared plus 9 all to power half. Of course, expanding, next task, expanding, that gives you this with this, gives you x squared plus 9 all to power half into x squared plus 9 dy dx plus this time this, that gives you x squared plus 9 all to power half, then xy equals anything times 0 gives you 0. We said this man is complex. The simple idea to break this down is to just attach what? D over dx into y dot what? Integrating factor. That we said equals what? This 0. Take this off. Alright, take this off here. That gives you d over the x. I have d over dx into y dot if integrating factor if is what? This. That gives you half. Let me read this way. That gives you x squared plus 9 all to power half. Right? Equals 0. Alright. Equals 0. So take the x here. That gives you d into y dot x squared plus 9 all to power half equals what there? 0 dx. Right? Next task is that 0 times dx gives you 0. So here is 0, it's still 0. Next task is to integrate through. Integrating through. That gives you the integral of d into y dot x squared plus 9 all to power half equals integral of 0. This cancel this. Integral cancel differential. I have y dot x squared plus 9 all to power half equals, if I integrate 0, I have constant. If I differentiate constant term, I have 0. If I now integrate 0, I'll have constant term. That's it. So if I integrate 0, I should have what? Constant. Right? That's it, please. Because integration is what? Reverse of differentiation. So if I differentiate something, I have 0. If I integrate that 0, I'll have that thing back. So if I differentiate constant term, normally it's 0. If I now integrate 0, I'll have what? Constant term back. And that's C. From here, I'll try to make y subject by dividing through by this one here. So divide by x squared plus 9 to the power of half, both sides. That gives you y into x squared plus 9 to the power of half over x squared plus 9 to the power of half equals c over x squared plus 9 to the power of what there? Half. Of course, this one here cancel this one here. Having y left. So what's y in this question? All right. From here, y will be equal to c all over half. Half gives you square root because it's the power of half, not just 1 over 2, please. It's half up 1 over 2 above the stuff there. And that's root. That gives you x squared plus 9. This is the answer to this particular question. All right, so I think our very first class I gave you, we started with this topic. At least almost at least like 8 examples, and I did 4 for you. So the remaining 4, do it for me and send it to my WhatsApp number so I can check if you're correct along, right? Or leave your answer in the comment section of this video. If you can express the answer on your phone in this form, but you can't, reach me out through WhatsApp number. I'll tell you if you're wrong or correct. So this is how you solve problems under solution of first order non-homogeneous ordinary differential equation by applying the concept of integrating factor. All right, see you guys in our next video. Don't forget, please subscribe to this channel. Let your friends know about this channel, and see you guys in our next video.
Before we continue with this lesson, I'm excited to announce that I just launched my official website, a complete learning platform designed to help you study smarter, learn faster, and access high-quality educational resources anytime you need them. On the website, you'll find several well-structured courses created to guide you step by step through the most important topics. First, we have Organic Chemistry for Beginners, a simple, beginner-friendly course that breaks down organic chemistry into easy explanations anyone can understand. Next, there are WAC and JAM classes, specially designed to help you pass your exams with confidence using clear lessons, solve questions, and exam strategies. We also have the Physics tutorial for Year 1 students, covering foundational concepts you must master in your first year of higher education. And for anyone who wants to grow online, there is a complete course on how to start, grow, and earn on YouTube using only your smartphone. This course gives you everything you need to begin your YouTube journey without expensive equipment. There is also a book section on the website where you can get all my educational books, including the shortcut to academic success. My website is now your one-stop platform for science tutorials, exam preparation, YouTube training, and learning resources that can transform your academic and digital journey. To explore all the courses and get your copy of the books, simply click the website link in the video description. Before we continue, let me quickly share something that can change your entire online journey. I just launched a complete YouTube mastery course, a step-by-step training designed to help beginners start and grow a successful YouTube channel using only their smartphone. In this course, I break everything down in simple, practical lessons. No expensive camera, no studio, no complicated equipment, just your phone and the right knowledge. You will learn how to create quality videos, design engaging thumbnails, write perfect titles, choose the right niche, understand the YouTube algorithm, and grow your channel from zero, even if you've never created a video before. If you want to become an online teacher like me, this course will guide you on how to teach online, record lessons, explain concepts clearly, and attract the right audience. And if you want to create content in any other field, lifestyle, motivation, entertainment, business, This course will still show you the exact steps to succeed. All the lessons are pre-recorded, well-organized, and easy to follow. You can watch them at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. So, if you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but didn't know how to begin, this is your opportunity. This course will take you from beginner to confident creator. The link to get the YouTube Mastery course is right there in the video description. Click it and start your YouTube journey today. Before we continue this lesson, I want to share something that will make your learning experience even better. I now have exclusive channel memberships designed to help you learn faster, get direct support, and access premium content you won't find in my regular videos. The first level is the support membership. If you enjoy my lessons and want to support the channel while getting special perks, this is for you. It's a simple way to show appreciation and help me continue creating high-quality educational content. The second level is the WAC and JAM classes membership. If you're preparing for WAC or JAM, this membership gives you structured lessons, practice questions, exam strategies, and step-by-step guidance to boost your performance. The third level is the 100-level students membership. This is perfect for secondary school students who want organized, easy-to-understand lessons in physics, chemistry, mathematics, and other subjects. And finally, we have the YouTube Mastery membership. If you want to learn how to grow on YouTube, how to create content, edit videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel, this membership will guide you from beginner to creator. Whatever stage you are in, there's a membership designed to help you learn smarter, improve faster, and stay ahead. To join, simply click the membership link in the video description. Choose the level that matches your goals and start enjoying all the exclusive benefits. Hold on, before you continue this lesson, I need to tell you something important. If you've been struggling with studying, losing motivation, or you feel like you're working hard, but your results aren't showing, this is for you. I recently released a powerful book titled The Shortcut to Academic Success. It is a simple, practical guide that shows you exactly how to study smarter, stay focused, remember more, and achieve outstanding results without stress. This book is not theory. It's a step-by-step roadmap I created after years of teaching students and understanding what truly works. Inside, you'll discover proven study techniques, exam strategies, productivity hacks, memory boosters, and secrets top students use every day. Whether you are in secondary school, university, or preparing for any exam, this book will transform the way you learn and help you reach your academic goals faster. And the best part? It costs only 2,000 Nigerian Nairas, less than the price of a snack, but the value inside can change your entire academic journey. If you truly want to upgrade your grades and finally take control of your learning, don't wait. Get your copy of The Shortcut to Academic Success today. Your future self will thank you.